Welcome back. For today's episode, we'll be continuing on with our PT-D210 label maker series. Today, we'll be focusing on how to insert a tape into your machine, how to tell what kind of tape you need for your machine, print preview, how to access that manual label cutter on there, and also how to feed tape through your machine. Quickly, before we get started, please thumbs up this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on what's to come with our PT-D210 series. Let's get started. So this machine takes the TZE tape up to 1/2 inch, 12 millimeters. Another way to see the sizes, you'll see right here, a TZE tape up to 0.47 inches, which is 1/2 inch or 12 millimeters. Now, to get our tape in here, we're gonna start with just the sample tape that came with this label maker, 1/2 inch, 12 millimeters. Before you get started, you'll see this green dial here. You wanna make sure to give that a twist a couple of times because that's gonna tighten the inner spools here. A lot of times if your label begins to bunch or split apart, it's because it's come loose. Now to load this to your machine, we're gonna go ahead and open it. It's actually, when you're looking at it, going to be upside down, or if you have it face here, it will be on the side. You should still see the size and color label. Now, you'll notice the spools, the holes. This is gonna line up. This will line up. I'm gonna put it in this orientation. It's easier for me. And you're gonna push until you hear that click. Go ahead and flip it and you're ready to go. So once you turn your label maker on, you can type in whichever word you're looking for. So in this case, we'll type in hello. If you'd like to preview your label before you print, go ahead and hit the magnifying glass and it will give you an idea of exactly what this will look like. If that works for you, you can either hit print from here or you can hit escape, go back, edit the font, and then print. Now, when it comes to printing, you have the option of up to 9 copies of print. You'll notice how many copies because it will be in bold. In this case, it's 1. You can either arrow to change the number, or you can select the actual number itself that you're looking for. If you want 6 copies, 1 copy is sufficient for this example. So from here, you can hit print, or you can hit OK, and it will print. Either way will work. You will notice it came out here. Now this machine does not come equipped with the auto cut feature. So you'll see this green button with a little scissors etched to it. Go ahead, push that lightly down. It should easily cut your label. In this case, you'll notice that there is 2 lines here. You'll need to cut with scissors exactly along there to get that label. There's an internal tape cutter in here that this label needs to pass in order to be able to be cut. In this case, you would have had excessive margins in order to get this label here, so just go ahead and give it a cut. Now to feed tape, for example, if you would like just a piece of label to come out, what you'll do is you'll hit shift, the magnifier glass at the same time, and that will print 1 inch of label. Just 1 plain inch. Sometimes if you have a jam or if you wanna get, past a little point, that's a great way just to get a little bit ahead. Hopefully that was helpful. Please don't forget to thumbs up this video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.